Welcome to part 2. Today is our last day of August, so we should be pretty familiar with the patterns. Since it was a weekend, everybody in your mind's eye, can you see what's going to be on 29? If you need some time, press pause until you come up with your answer. It's okay to persevere. Did you come up with a yellow square? Why would that be? What is congruent with 29 and with 25 and 23 and 17 and all the other numbers that only have a yellow square? Now think of Sunday. What was Sunday? Think of the number 30. What does 30 have? What are the properties of the number 30? What are its factors? It's the multiples that could get up to 30. What type of a number is it? Prime or composite? And once you think you got it, yell it out. Did you say it was a blue rectangle with an orange dot? Now some kids say, oh, there's a pattern, Mr. Hosch, that they go at a diagonal. Yes, that is a iconic pattern. We can see it through our eyes, but there is a mathematical reason why 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30 are a rectangle that has been rotated on its side. As you can see, the other blue rectangles, 3, 9, 15, 21, and 27, they are rotated up. Well, can you tell what that mathematical reasoning would be? What is the difference between the stand-up rectangles and the rotated down rectangles? That's an interesting concept. And our last day is 31. So there's something about 31. How many of you know? I'll give you a hint. Of all the numbers in the tens place value that are prime, they all end in 1, except for 1, 21. Think about it. 11, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. Oh, 81 as well. Can you tell me why? What are the factors of 81? But that's kind of a cool pattern. It'd be interesting to see the other numbers that end, what they would be prime or composite as a rule of thumb. Okay, did you pick out what today is? Did you say a yellow square? And that, my friends, is August. Hopefully we learned something about factors, about multiples, about patterns. That's the thing I want to really cover. Now next month we are going to dive in with some vocabulary. I've kind of used it throughout our calendar math, but next month we're going to dive into some extra vocabulary. So we start speaking like a mathematician, because math is a lot like a language, and we want to become familiar with the language of math.